So not long ago, I was searching on the internet trying to find any faceless YouTube channels ideas that I can start out and create a video for it, post it on social media and make money from it. Then I go to YouTube and find out that this channel is getting a lot of views and get a lot of subscribers just by posting short animal videos on this platform and making a lot of views here. So if you come to this channel, it has 500,000 subscribers on this channel and has posted only 120 videos. If you come to it, I just posted this video 2 months ago and it's getting more than 200,000 views. And if you come to this, I posted this video 1 month ago and has get more than 1 million views on this channel. If you come to this channel also, it has more than 3 million subscribers on this channel and it's getting a lot of views on this platform. Just posted this video 2 days ago, has getting 2.9k views on this platform, and it has posted this video not long ago and has getting 9 million views on this channel, meaning that people are interested in searching for such content on the YouTube and looking to watch such funny videos on YouTube. Another platform is here and it has 300,000 subscribers on this channel and just posted only 80 videos on this platform. If you come down here now, not long ago, it has this video who has gotten 60 million views and is still getting views on this platform, just posting 30 seconds funny animals videos on this platform. The question is, where can I get such videos? Through my research, I found out an easy and simple platform that we can go out here and find this video, edit them and posting them on YouTube, Instagram or any other social platform that we want to use and make money from. I'm going to show you a step by step on how you can find such videos, edit them, post them on any of the platform that you choose and make money from it. On this content, the best way is to stay away from copyright, is to know how to edit them without wasting much time. Let me take you to the board for YouTube. The true thing is, this funny animals video that we see here, all these video we can find it on Chinese platform or platform that is from Chinese that are posting such as funny videos. And to get those videos, first off, go to your app store or play store and download this website that I'm going to show you, and I put the link in the description in case you want it, then you search it for. So this is the website that we are going to use. First time of coming to this website, you need to make sure you come to this site and create your account. Created my account, so there's no need for me to go back and do other stuff here. So when you create your account, and the one thing is choosing your interest, make sure you first choose the animals one before you choose other stars on your platform, right? And after you've done with your account, the next thing is, how can you find those videos and post it on your platform? So if you search here or look at this side, we have a lot of videos, a lot of funny videos here that people are also watching it. If you check for this video, these funny videos, it has gotten more views on this platform, and we need to make sure you take that this video. Okay, so you can use this video, or you come to this and you see this one too. It's just a funny video that you can download it for and use it on your platform. To download any video, make sure you go a video that has got more than 100 views. Those videos are very interesting for you to use. So after you getting your video, the next thing to do, if you check on the platform, you see this arrow there. Tap on the arrow. If you tap on the save video here, you see that person username will be shown on your video. Okay, so come here and click on copy link here and come to your browser, any browser that you are using. So I'm using Chrome browser, so I'll just tap on Chrome browser and it will take me to this website. I've used this website, I've downloaded some video before, so I'll use this website here. This website is used to download a link on any Chinese platform. Okay, we're going to paste the link of this. So this is the dashboard of the website. If you come to the website or you open the website, this is it, and you tap on there and paste your link here and hit on submit here. Wait for it, the video will show down here, and you come here, we have save video, save image. So we will tap on the save video here and the video will start playing here. So we will not play the video, take off the ads that will be shown here and tap on download here. Then your video will start downloaded here. So this is my video here that has started downloaded. Okay, so let's wait for the video to finish download. So the video has completed download. Let's go to our desktop and find the video here. So after you've gotten your video, then you go to your CapCut video editor. Open the CapCut video editor, tap on upload a new project and bring out your video. Okay, so this video is what I'm going to use here. Then I'll tap on add here, then wait for it to show here. So when I play it, you will see that this video is just a funny video that I've just downloaded on the platform. Okay, and you can do a lot of editing to avoid the video, and you can extract the video. Okay, you can take off the audio from it, or you can add any audio to this video to make sure the video look different and genuine. Okay, so let's come to this side and then extract the audio and or choose the size for this video. Okay, we can use this one. Okay, then we tap on, we hit on this one, we come to background, then we come to background here, blur background, choose the background like this. Okay, you can hit on OK, come back to the ratio and change the ratio small, make sure that it's an appear this thing. Okay, so let's choose this one. So the ratio is looking cool here. Then we can play it for you to see how it look like. Then we can do a lot of stuff about it. We can add audio, tap on this one. If you have any audio that you want to use, you can use this audio, or you can record your own audio, or you can extract the audio. You can bring out any audio that you want to use and extract that video and use it on that one. So let me bring out this one. I have an audio here, then I hit on it, then I extract the audio, push it back to this side. I'm going to make sure this video look different and genuine. So when I play it, okay, you see that I've added some video audios to this one, and I can edit the effect. I can go to the video effect, add any video effect that I want to use, or I want to create about this one. Then I'll just use any video effect here. So let me use this one and see what's next. If you play it, you will see then I can reduce voice or the volume of this video, this audio that I brought in. I reduce it, tap on it one. Okay, so it has changed something small here. Then I can add any text to this one, because this one I don't have any text in it, and I can even mute the voice in this video, right? So I can hit on this one and go to the volume here, go to the volume, then reduce the volume of that one. Okay, then I hit on this one. Okay, then after I've done with the video, I can hit on export and export my video to my gallery and use that video for the next project that I want to do. So now I've exported my video, and my video is as shown in here. I can go out there and play my video. If I come into this side and then go in and check for my video and play it for you to see. So when I hit on this one and start playing, so this is the video that is playing out there, that I can use this video and post it on any other social media platform. If you want to know more on how you can use other people content on Facebook, I have a video on that one. You can check out that there. If you want to learn more about using and editing other people content, subscribe to this channel, because we give you everything that will help you grow your content online. See you in the next video.